Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making shawarma, so keep watching if you want to see how I made this. First, I'm going to season my chicken, which I have already cut into strips, and I'm using chicken thighs because it's juicy. Next, I'll add my seasoning cubes, all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika powder, and salt to taste. You can use any spices of your choice. I will mix to combine and allow it to marinate for an hour or more. You can also use it immediately. It will still be okay once you spice it very well. Next, I'll pan fry the chicken. I have added small amount of vegetable oil in my pan. Allow it to heat up. Next, I'll add the chicken and allow it to fry for a while or until it's done. While that is frying, I will prep my vegetables. I will cut the cabbage, shred the carrot, cut the cucumber into strips, and slice the onions and tomatoes and set aside. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. At this time the chicken is ready. I'm going to scoop it out and use the same oil to pan fry my sausages. Once that is done, I will set aside for later use. Next is to make the shawarma sauce. In a bowl, I will go in with my mayonnaise, some vinegar, honey, and ketchup. You can simply make this shawarma sauce by combining your preferred sauce, and you are good to go. I will mix to combine and our sauce is ready. Next, I'll add some of the sauce in the salad and the rest is for the shawarma bread. I will give it a good mix and everything is set. It's time to put everything together. Here is my shawarma wrap. I doubled it. You can use one. I will spread some of the sauce and I'm going to be generous because I want it juicy. Next, I will add the salad, the chicken, hot dog, onion, and the fresh tomatoes. I'm going to gently wrap it very well and we are done. Next is to warm up the shawarma. I have placed my pan on fire. Next, I will add the shawarma. To seal and warm the shawarma, heat up a pan and place the shawarma, making sure that the open side is down, and allow it to heat up for 3 minutes and it will definitely seal. You can also toss it around for more beautiful color and it's ready to serve. I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.